Hello guys, welcome to my class. Today we are going to learn how to analyze and design a propped cantilever. At first we have to know what is propped cantilever. Propped cantilever is when in a cantilever one end fixed and other end hinge, or in any span or in the span if you give a hinge support, then it will be a propped cantilever. What is the use of propped cantilever? Now, if you design a long span of cantilever with small depth, then propped cantilever is used, because you can't design a long span cantilever. Okay, so let's begin. At first open STAAD Pro, click on new project, click space, give a file name propped. Okay, choose a location, length unit for me meter and force unit for me kilonewton. Okay, then click next, select add beam, then finish. Okay, now we are going to design a 10 meter span, 6 meter 8 meter span. 5 meter will be cantilever, and in the 5 meter distance there will be we will give a hinge support. Okay, so add a node here, or you can create a span, 5 meter span, then 8 meter span. Okay, switch off the grid. Now this is 5 meter span, this is 3 meter span. Dimension, display, you can see 5 meter, 3 meter. Okay, now we're going to give this end fixed support, this end free, and this end or this point hinge support. Okay, so go to node cursor, select node cursor, select the node, go to support page, click on create, add fixed support, add a pin support. Now select this node, select the fixed support, click on assign. Remember, you have to select use assign to selected nodes. Okay, then assign, yes, select this node, select the support, select assign to selected nodes, assign, yes. Now this end is fixed, this end is hinged or simply supported, and this end is free. Now this is a propped cantilever. Okay, if the span is 6 meter, you can give one end fixed, one end hinge. Okay, now we have to give the property for the span. For that, go to property page, click on define, select rectangle. I'm going to give a rectangle shape. YD depth is 300 millimeter or 0.3 meter, and ZT is 250 millimeter or 0.25 meter. Click on add, close. Now we are going to give this property for the whole span. Okay, so select the property, select assign to view, assign, yes. Now it goes to the total property. You can go by 3D view. This is what beam. Now you have to give load. For that, go to the load page, select load case detail, click on add, load type date, give title date, add live, add, close. Go to date load, click on add, select the save load, add, select the member load, give member load. We are going to give minus 8 kilonewton per meter, add, close. Now go to live, click on add, member load minus 2 kilonewton per meter, add, close. Self-weight goes to the whole structure. We are going to give assign to view, assign, yes. Date load, uniformly distributed load goes to the total structure or total frame. For that, go to assign to view, assign, yes, okay. And similarly, the live load goes to the total span, assign to view, assign, yes, okay. If you want to give a load combination, for that, go to command, loading, load combination. Now give 1.5 for total, add, close. Now here is the load combination, okay. Now go to command, analyze, perform analyze, no print, okay, analyze, analyze, save. If there is no error, then our analysis is complete. There is no error, no warning, and no notes, so our analysis is okay. Click on done. Now we are going to design the prop cantilever. For that, go to design, concrete design, select your code. I'm going to select IS456. Now go to select parameters, select clear distance, FC and FI main, okay. Now go to define parameter. For defining the parameters, clear cover will be 25 millimeter, so 0.025 meter, add compressive strength will be 20,000, add FI main will be 415,000, add, close. Clear cover goes to the whole span. For that, go to assign to view, assign, yes, FC, similarly goes to total span, FI main, assign to view, assign, yes. Now go to commands, select design beam, add, close. Select design beam, select the beams, select assign to selected beams, assign, yes. Now we have to analyze it. For that, go to command, analyze, perform analyze, okay, analyze, analyze, save. If there is no error, then our design is okay. See, there is no error, no warning, so our design is okay. Now go to view output file, see the output file, concrete design, and you can see the reinforcement here, 12 dia, 2 long top reinforcement, bottom reinforcement for 5 meter span and for 3 meter span, okay. You can see the bending movement, how it's work for a prop cantilever. See, you can see the deflection, okay, beam trace, so this is how you can design a prop cantilever, okay. If you have any problem with this, then you can comment on the video. I will be back soon. Okay, thank you.